Example 2, group data. Find first row moments and from that find central moments for the following observation. Xi 11, 12, 14, 15, 17 and Fi frequency 2, 5, 4, 7, 1 given. Solution. First of all, write in table form Xi, that is 11, 12, 14, 15, 17 and frequency Fi, that is 2, 5, 4, 7, 1. We take the sum of frequency, we get n is equal to 19. So after finding this value, we'll multiply Fi into Xi, that is your Fi into Xi. We will multiply this value. So 11 2s are, that is equal to 22, 12 5s are, that is equal to 60, then 14 4s are, that is equal to 56, 15 7s are, that is equal to 105, 17 1s are, that is equal to 17. Now we'll take the sum of Fi into Xi, we get value 260. So after finding this value, we'll put in the formula of mean. X bar is equal to sigma Fi into Xi divided by n. So here sigma Fi into Xi, that is equal to 260 and n is equal to here 19. And we'll put in the formula, we get value 13.68. Here we shall take that a is equal to 14 because your mean we have in fraction form. So where a is arbitrary mean, or we can say assumed mean. First of all, find the first 4 row moment about a, that is equal to 14. Find from them we shall obtain central moment using formula. So here xi minus 14. So x by we are taken 14. So 11 minus 14, that is equal to minus 3. 12 minus 14, that is equal to minus 2. 14 minus 14, that is equal to 0. 15 minus 14, that is equal to 1. Then 17 minus 14, that is equal to 3. Now we take the sum of xi minus 14, we get value minus 1. So after finding this value, we'll find fi into xi minus 14, that is fi into xi minus 14. So 2 multiply 2 into minus 3, that is equal to minus 6. F 5 into minus 2, that is equal to minus 10. 4 into 0, that is equal to 0. 7 into 1, that is equal to 7. Then 1 into 3, that is equal to 3. Now we'll take the sum of fi into xi minus 14, we get value minus 6. So we'll put in the first term moment, that is mu1 dash, that is equal to sigma fi into xi minus a divided by n, where mu1 dash is equal to sigma fi into xi minus 14 divided by n, where sigma fi into xi minus 14 here is we found minus 6 and we get n is equal to 19. So putting the above formula minus 6 divided by 19, we get minus 0.32. Now we'll find second row moment. For that, we have to first find xi minus 14 whole square. So we'll take the square of xi minus 14. So minus 3 square, that is equal to 9. Minus 2 square, that is equal to 4. 0 square, that is equal to 0. 1 square, that is equal to 1. Then 3 square, that is equal to 9. Now we'll take the sum of xi minus 14 whole square, we get value 23. So after finding this value, we'll find fi into xi minus 14 whole square. That is xi minus 14 whole square will be multiplied by frequency. We'll get fi into xi minus 14 whole square. So 2 into 9, that is equal to 18. Then 5 into 4, that is equal to 20. Then 4 into 0, that is equal to 0. 7 into 1, that is equal to 7. 1 into 9, that is equal to 9. Now we'll take the sum of fi into xi minus 14 whole square. We get value 54. Now putting the formula of second term moment mu2 dash, that is equal to sigma fi into xi minus a whole square divided by n, where a is equal to 14. So sigma fi into xi minus 14 whole square divided by 9. Here we get sigma fi into xi minus 14 whole square, that is equal to 54, and n we get 19. So putting the above formula mu2 dash, that is equal to 54 divided by 19, we get 2.84. Now we find third term moment, that is, for that we have to find xi minus 14 whole cube. So here xi minus 14 whole square into xi minus 14, we multiply this value. So minus 3 into 9, that is equal to minus 27. Then minus 2 into 4, that is equal to minus 8. 0 into 0, that is equal to your 0. 1 into 1, that is equal to your 1. 3 into 9, that is equal to your 27. Now we take the sum of xi minus 14 whole cube, we get value minus 7. So after finding this value, we find fi into minus 14 whole cube. So for that, xi minus 14 whole cube into frequency. So find this value, 2 into minus 27, that is equal to minus 54. Then 5 into minus 8, that is equal to minus 40. Then 4 into 0, that is equal to 0. 7 into 1, that is equal to your 7. 1 into 27, that is equal to 27. Now we take the sum of fi into minus 14 whole cube, we get value minus 60. So now after finding the value of sigma fi into x minus 14 whole cube, will find putting the formula of third term moment, that is mu3 dash, that is equal to sigma fi into xi minus a whole cube divided by n. Now therefore your formula will be mu3 dash, that is equal to sigma fi into xi minus 14 whole cube divided by n, where we find we get value sigma fi into xi minus 14 whole cube, that is equal to minus 60, and n is equal to 19. So putting the above formula minus 60 divided by 19, we get value minus 3.16. And now we'll find fourth row moment. For that we have to first find fi into xi minus 14 raised to power 4. So here xi minus 14 whole square into fi into xi minus 14 whole square. So 9 into 18, that is equal to 162. 4 into 20, that is equal to 80. Then 0 into 0, that is equal to your 0. 1 into 7, that is equal to your 7. Then 9 into 9 that is equal to your 81. Now we take the sum of fi into xi minus 14 raised to power 4, we get value 330. So after finding this value, we will put in the above formula of fourth row moment, that is mu 4 dash, that is equal to sigma fi into xi minus 14 raised to power 4 divided by n. So where here sigma fi into xi minus 14 raised to power 4 that is equal to 330 and n is equal to your 19. So putting in the above formula mu 4 dash that is equal to 330 divided by 19, we get value 17.37. Now this summary, first 4 row moments are mu 1 dash that is equal to minus 0.32, mu 2 dash that is equal to 2.84, mu 3 dash that is equal to minus 3.16, and mu 4 dash that is equal to 17.37. Now we'll find for central moments mu 1 that is equal to always 0. Now find mu 2. Mu 2 is equal to mu 2 dash minus mu 1 dash. So mu 2 dash that is equal to 2.84 minus mu 1 dash square. So we'll take the square of minus 0.32. So mu 2 is equal to, by solving this we get mu 2 is equal to 2.74. Now we'll find mu 3, where mu 3 is equal to mu 3 dash minus 3 mu 1 dash into mu 2 dash plus 2 mu 1 dash cube. So here mu 3 dash is equal to minus 3.16, that is here, and 3 into mu 1 dash, where mu 1 dash is equal to minus 3.2, and mu 2 dash that is equal to 2.84, that is 2.84, plus 2 into mu 1 dash cube. So mu 1 dash cube that is equal to this value. So after solving this, we get mu 3 is equal to minus 0.52. Now we'll find mu 4, where mu 4 is equal to mu 4 dash minus 4 mu 3 dash into mu 1 dash plus 6 mu 2 dash into mu 1 dash square minus 3 into mu 1 dash raised to power 4. So here mu 4 dash that is equal to 17.37, and mu 3 dash is given here. So your mu 3 dash and mu 1 dash is given here, minus 3.2, minus 0.32. Then mu 2 dash, so mu 2 dash that is equal to your 2.84 and into mu 1 dash square that is equal to minus 0.32. After that minus 3 into mu 1 dash 4, that is mu 1 is equal to minus 0.32. We take the raised to power 4. So after solving this, we get mu 4 is equal to 15.05.